talk as Khotman Don, not the Don.
Yeah, Khotman Don.
So
the one who kisses the camera.
Oh, it's finished. It's done.
Oh, it's done. You're done.
Oh,
Bafazi, boundaries. Boundaries. So that's how it came about. Just
he threw at least to top 10.
No,
yeah, man. But after that, I was like, when I told his story, I really didn't mean to, because I think I remember there was a time Wanda told me that he's not comfortable with sharing his story to everyone. He doesn't want to use it as a strategy.
Yeah.
So when I was in the diary room and I was telling his story, and when I came out, I was like, damn, I was not supposed to. Because now I remember King Wanda's words, he was not comfortable with sharing his story.
Yeah.
But when I got out of the house, I was told, hey, bro, what you said about Umshefan really helped him. And yeah, man, I'm glad.
Yeah, he's in a good space.
Okay. Yeah, he's in a good space now. He's okay.
I missed a call from him yesterday. So Namfuti, hey, I will call him back. And right now, who were you close with? Because one person that I know in the house that you were close to was Liema. And how did you guys get close? Because I was just like, hey, they're close. I'm like, okay.
So before, let me answer the question. I was close to Liema and Trixie at first. Liema and I just clicked on the first night. I think it was the class girl, hey girl, and then we literally just clicked. And she also shared that on her last season she didn't have friends. I like girls. I was like, girl, I'm your baby now.
I'm your baby. Yes.
And then Trixie, obviously I work with Trixie, her boss at work. So she told me about her coming to Big Brother, wanted leave of absence, and I was like, you have to tell me you're going. 3 months is a long time. And then she ended up telling me off the record, I'm going to Big Brother. I was like, okay, cool. And then on the 24th, she actually called me stressed, like, oh my God, they just sent me this email, what I need to bring, And I was like, okay, calm down. Just calm down, sharp. So now, I was number 4 entering the house, and I don't know, she was after me. So she, you know how she's just mean mugging. So she walks in mean mugging.
I saw her.
The minute she sees my face, her face just dropped. And she was just like, oh my God. And she was like, you're so sneaky.
Yeah.
So we were never friends before the house. We were just our colleagues, just hi, whatever the case may be.
Hey. Londa, I've been thinking in Durban this week. It's so funny. I don't think we've ever had a contestant. And I was thinking if I actually wanted to even post it, because I don't want it to make it seem in Durban no more or anything like that. But I've been thinking about this the whole time. I don't think we've ever had a contestant, Big Brother, who decided in Durban uzojoin a partner wakhe who lobejola naye in the house for interviews, for media rounds. Guys, have you ever had umuntu njalo ever? Ndiyaqala ibonene ndibona this week. Like, koko ndicinga, I'm thinking about it and I'm like, I've never seen this happen before. Like, a contestant, like, you were dating in the house, you left first, then umntu wakho alandele aphume like 2 weeks, 3 weeks after you, or whatever, how many weeks it is. Then you join them in what is supposed to be their time to shine. Like, guys, I'm confused this week about Wednesday because I was like, this was the opportunity gathered on Levik into about enzi media rounds as I ne chance your shiner, and talk about his experience and let the spotlight be on him. Let him enjoy the moment, because at the end of the day, he made it far in the competition. Yeah, well. But I'm very confused as to what's happening. Uba ngoku I understand as I born. Like, the only time we've had couples doing media rounds together is when it was a pairing, yabona, or maybe they had gone out on the same Sunday, so therefore they just will obviously go to the same places, yabona, for media rounds, same interviews and stuff. But leyo ba ndiqala ibona lenzeka kule veki ba hayibo, why couldn't you just let him have his moment? Like, do you know what I mean? Let him have his moment. This is his week. Like, he just got out the house. Obviously, they can meet because that's up to them. That's their thing. Bangadibana. But leyo ba uzobe uku interviews zakhe. Guys. I I don't know what you guys think about this. Nah, because it's all about the, what do you call it, Kanene, when people are coupling up with Big Brother, it's all about the ship ngoku. Into kadon ngoku iphelele ku-ship. Ship basically ship, it's a shipping thing most. We are shipper. We are force the shipping thing. Hayi sanda ibona. Ndiyaqala uyiva. Mhlambi I'm the weird one, but kudala ndicinga lento and I'm like, this is really odd. It's really, really odd.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. People are calling out uNeliswa for stealing spotlight Sade Dawn. uNeliswa what disqualify walapha ku Big Brother Mzansi season 6. I think 3 weeks back, if I'm not mistaken, ngemva kokuthi ashaye uQ ke sana wena ukuthi lapha ku Big Brother once nje waphakamisa sandla sakho washaya umuntu it's chai ke sana, you don't even get strike, straight up disqualification ke sana, bam disqualify uMogelo akhala ke na ude Dawn, I hate you Q, I hate you Q, but anyway wagcina be right shame mfana because bekayobi abenjani vele bekumele abi right, she was wrong, bekumele a disqualify. It doesn't matter ukuthi Q utheni awushayile omnye umuntu, we know that. Wahamba uGelo wathi mase kaphumile uGelo kude umuntu bekanenzaba naye akuzange kube ne homecoming, akuzange kube lutho, kwathuleka nje ngazothi akahambe umuntu ngathi abaka disqualify umuntu. People didn't care about her, but they were actually saying ukuthi she was wrong. Abazange nje abantu bamnake bamnike the attention ngalesikana ahambile. Uhambile ke uDe Dawn last week Sunday uKing Wanda, so siyaqoqa ukuthi makahambile umuntu, especially for someone obeka ku top 10, abantu bamthanza, abantu bafuna ku welcome, bathatha ama pictures naye, videos, uyabo hambile ama interviews. So people are saying ukuthi uyahappy uNeliswa. Yes, we know ukuthi they are dating, but akamnike the space sakhe mfana naye shine I1 because yena kazange khona ukushine because what disqualify waphuma ngemgunyati kahle kahle. Akayele uDe Dawn ashine yedwa, nekele kuhamba naye kuma interviews alokalandzela. Why? People are saying we understand because you guys are dating, man tendela tendela, we don't care, but lento yokuthi wena ulukulandzela the Dawn kuma interviews mall Dawn bantu bafuna kumshutha nawe you are here. Why are you stealing a spotlight Sade Dawn kasana? Do you think ukuthi what people are saying ukuthi uNeliswa untshontsha spotlight Sade Dawn kuliqiniso lokho wona uyibona kanjani lento? Do you think mhlambe ukuthi yena ngumani it's okay because they are a couple bayathandzana, there's nothing wrong? Mhlambe nawe uyabona ukuthi hayi Mogel ngazi ukuthi vele untshontsha spotlight salomntwana. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.